Hi, so today we are going to see float data type. Float is similar to int data type. The difference is only int has whole numbers and float has decimal numbers like this. So let's print A and B. So this is print A and B. Just write print A and run this command. You can run by here or you can create your own shortcut. It is taking time to run. See, A is 3.34. Now let's see what type it is. I'm using type function here to know what type it is. Let's run it. As you can see, 3.34 is float. Okay, so this is float, and these all are arithmetic operation which you can perform in float. Same which we seen in integer. So let's run it one by one. So this is our first. It is showing A is 3.4 and B is 2.5. Let's run the first arithmetic operation, which is addition. Addition, it will add both variables values A and B, and second one is subtraction. Now you can see here I used here round. So it will, as you can see, addition has already two values, but sometimes there are more numbers after decimal. So you need a concise version of it. So by using this round function, you can define how much numbers you want after decimal. So if I run it, it will show only two numbers after the decimal, like this. If I run multiplication, maybe it will show more numbers because I haven't used here round function. If I use round function here, let me use the round function here to show you how to use round function. Just type round, then use bracket, use comma, then use how how much numbers you want after the decimal. Earlier we used two, now let's try one and just close the bracket. Now it is ready. Let's run the program. See, it is showing only 8.2. Earlier it is showing 8.1. It is rounding the value because 8.18. The second number after decimal is near to 2. If it is 5 or more than 5, then it will convert into 2. Let's run. This, as you know, this is power. Float power is, as you can see, this is very, this is not good to, this is not good as a result. So we should use round function here. Usually all prefer two numbers after decimal. So we are using 2 here. Now see, this is 19.199, this is 19.19. Okay, let's check another in this program. It is also a lot of number after decimal. So then we are using round, comma 2. Let's run this program. See the difference. It is good to present the number. Someone like this train, everyone like a concise version of result. This is one because it is giving floor value. Division is 1.3, but floor is 2 because this is floor and this is rest. We have already discussed these things and we are discussing about integer. This is also too long. Let's round it. Round 2. Done. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to the channel.